Hey there, future trading pros. Are you ready to give your trading graphs that extra edge? Buckle up because today we are diving into the world of MT4 indicators. In just 2 minutes, you'll master the art of adding powerful indicators to your trading arsenal. Step 1. Dash over to your dashboard and hit up the utility zone. Step 2. Snag the supply and demand indicator with a quick click. Step 3. Pop open that zip file you just downloaded. Step 4. Leap into MT4, click File, then open Data folder to get to the heart of the action. Step 5. In the Data folder's belly, find MQL4, and then the Indicators then. Step 6. Time to drop that supply and demand file into the Indicators folder like it's hot. Go old school with drag and drop, or flash those keyboard skills with Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Step 7. Seal the deal by closing the folder. Step 8. For the grand finale, give MT4 a quick reboot to welcome the new indicator to its new home. Boom, you're all set, with the supply and demand indicator locked and loaded. You're not just trading, you're upgrading your trade game. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to chart like a champ.